I am very fortunate to be with all of you. Intuitively, majority of the human being were having some thought from inside that there will be big change in 2012. But some were having negative idea that change will be bad. There will be chaos everywhere, there will be danger everywhere, and it is possible that the whole physical universe will explode and our human civilization will disappear. This rumor, false rumor, were spread by those persons who are not having deep idea about the truth. There is no doubt when you meditate deeply and practice Kriya Yoga meditation and go deep into self, then you will find ultimate truth that 2012 is the very important year. In this there will be big change for higher consciousness. Try to imagine embryo developing in egg. Inside egg there is a very small embryo is growing. Imagine that 2012 came and now embryo is flying outside. Shell is broken, now embryo has become chicken and seeing the vast universe. 2012 is the year of expansion. In this, what will happen? All the evil work which is happening within and without will be exposed. And what is going to expose? That is a very important point we should understand. In ancient time, all the king, ancient time means after 700 BC. I am not talking before. After 700 BC, there is a big downfall in the human consciousness. Then all dictators who were very inhuman, having very bad thought and idea, having less kindness, they become dictator, they became king. They start ruling. This is called the nation, and the places are ruled by dictators. Then slowly, now everything is changing. Then concept of democracy came in 1600 AD. America became the oldest democratic nation, and India became largest democratic nation. In the democracy, still we have the same line of action, especially when you see in India, India is having ancient civilization, where many kings were ruling. All kings were having the muscles power of the money and muscles, having mafias, and through them they were ruling, they were controlling the many things. Now the same principle they applied in selection of the many things who are ruling as the government persons, MPs, member of parliaments, MLAs, ministers, all, and they have created bureaucrats, and all together they are not working for the nation, they are working for their position, for the money, how to make their kingdom big. And when dictators were there, which we call Jamidar, they were not having such a big brutality because their post was not permanent. When you are elected as member of parliament or become minister, then again you have to be re-elected. But if you are officer, you are IAS or IPS or PCS, anything, your job is fixed. When you are doing bad, nobody can do anything. This is called the biggest mistake done in the selection. That is, if I am bureaucrats, I am IAS, I am IPS, I am PCS, I am anything, my job is secured, very difficult to remove me, then I will do all kind of bad things. You cannot do anything. In my hand, all the power is there. I will create torturing. I get good salary, I get good money, I get good facility. But I need more and more. And how much more? There is no end. Then I select some mafia from the group. I am IS, I am PCS, I am IPS, I am in a big position. Then I do some work of the mafias or bad person. I select them and they used to come all the time and sit and chit chat because they have no work. Then they are having all negative talks about the persons who are working. Then those working persons are being tortured by the police officials, by administratives. When torturing happens, there is a fight in the community. In the fight, then these administrative persons, they take bribe from both sides. And where is the mistake? In education system. Where is the mistake? In the laws. What is the laws is made? How to govern the nation, how to help the nation, how to help the public. Which is the biggest relief center? Police office and nursing home, medical field. When you go to the medical hospital, you do not know what is going to happen in India. Your kidney may be taken away. Nobody will know. Go to the police station. What false case they will lodge. You do not know it. Therefore, two places, which is the most peaceful places, which is decided to give peace and control, that is most dangerous place if you go. Therefore, remember, where is the mistake? Mistake is in the policy, education system. You have to change it. And if you are having the court order, and court is in your favor, but these officials never care. They fight contempt. They will do everything, but they will do whatever they want. They will lodge false cases. They can do any harm. Why? Because selections are negative. What is the selection rule? That is false. Therefore, all unqualified persons, they are taking position of the bureaucrats. Unqualified person became administrative officer, police officer. They do not have any common sense how to help and control. Then we need a big change in philosophy, in policy, in all rules. If rules are the same, everything is the same, you cannot make nation better by changing the party. Today the party number 1 is ruling. Now you have to remove this party. Now party number B is coming. Then party number C is coming. The whole system is the same. You have to change the system. For example, I am having old car. My car is not functional. Keep on appointing driver one by one. They cannot drive it. You have to change the car. In the same, you have to change the system. Otherwise, there will not be peace. Now, 2012 is the year where change will start. Everywhere in all over the world, you will find, like X-ray machine, like MRI, all things will be precipitated. In all walks of life, in spirituality, in administration, in the government, in the business, everywhere you will see the corruption. It was before also, but before was no vision. Now vision has appeared. Everybody started knowing it. Therefore, what I request all of you, see this video. Whatever video is there, see this link. Whatever link is there, and you see they demolished a building made for the wheelchair person, sick person. Government pay for sick person. They give donation to make this building, and we never took any money from anywhere. Automatic what donation come from the deep loving persons. These things are made. Kindly see this barbaric attack. We were having stay order from the court, but they neglected. No court has given any order. Therefore, CBI inquiry should be laws in this. If you want to correct the nation, put CBI inquiry. When the mistake comes, change the system. Do not put anybody in the jail. Do not give punishment. It is not their mistake. They are unqualified. And there are many qualified persons. Your system is weak. They are not able to select qualified person. Therefore, no person should be punished. Change the system. But CBI inquiry will prove their mistake happens. Others may not be able to prove it. This is a very important request. I do, because now India needs change. India is a mother of all nations. If India will not change, all nations of the world will not have peace.